We are high up in the mountains. Above Puerto de la Cruz, which is where our hotel is. In case you can't see, it is extremely misty up here. Like you're walking through a constant mist because the cloud, we're basically up in the clouds. It is extremely beautiful up here. If there wasn't all these clouds, you could probably have a really nice view out that way. But alas, there's heavy clouds. It's almost like walking, when you go to Lagoon and it's hot and they have those misters that you walk through to cool off. It's basically like there are misters all over the place. Everywhere you go, you can't escape it. There's a mister sprinkling on you. It's really different environment. I've never quite been in an environment like this before. Rainforest, when you think rainforest, this is probably kind of what you think of. Amazing. We drove it took probably 25, 30 minutes to get up this high. But well worth the drive. And the smell, it smells, you're in the middle of the forest. It smells great. It smells like wood everywhere. It's really quite something up here, I gotta say. We'll check in with you later at another stop.